What's the clicking sound? So if you're just playing around with your Audi and you get the throttle body off and you hear that clicking noise we just heard, I'm just going to open this cap up so we can see what it is. There's these T30 bits that come off. And if you pry up on this side, it comes off with a little bit of force. But there is a seal under here, but don't drop it because there's a loose part in here. So that clicking noise that you're hearing is this wheel right here that's just sitting loose, so it just moves freely. So don't freak out if you hear it. It doesn't mean that it's bad, but this is what it is. Just thought I'd share with you. Thanks.